Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to explore one of the most life-changing books, Master Your Emotions by Thibaut Meurisse. Have you ever wondered why you suddenly feel angry, sad, or anxious, even when nothing seems wrong? Or why it's so hard to stay positive when life throws challenges at you? This book teaches us exactly that, how to understand, manage, and transform our emotions instead of being controlled by them. Emotions decide how we think, how we act, and even how successful we become. In this 1-hour session, we'll break down the full book step by step, with examples, practical tools, and stories you'll relate to. Part 1: Understanding Your Emotions. The author starts by explaining that emotions are signals, not commands. They tell us how we're interpreting our environment. Formula: event, thought, emotion, reaction. Example: let's say your friend doesn't reply to your message. Thought 1: they're ignoring me. Emotion: anger or sadness. Thought 2: they're probably busy. Emotion: calm. Same situation, different thoughts, different emotions. I learned from here, you don't need to change the event. You just need to change your thoughts about it. Part 2: Where emotions come from. Emotions come from 3 main sources. 1. Your thoughts. 2. Your body energy, sleep, hormones. 3. Your environment, people, surroundings. Example: if you didn't sleep well, even a small problem can trigger frustration. If you're surrounded by negative people, you'll absorb that energy. I learned from here, before reacting, ask yourself, is this emotion real or caused by tiredness, hunger, or stress? Part 3: The role of thoughts. Thoughts are like filters. If your mind's filter is dirty, everything looks negative. Thibaut calls it the emotional lens. Example: if you believe, I always fail, then even small setbacks feel huge. But if you believe, I'm learning, then failure becomes feedback. Exercise: write one limiting belief you often think, and replace it with a positive truth. Part 4: Emotions are temporary. No emotion is permanent, not anger, not sadness, not fear. They're like waves, they rise, peak, and pass. Example: when you're angry, you might want to yell. But if you wait 10 minutes, the feeling reduces naturally. I learned from here, don't make decisions when emotions are high. Let the wave pass first. Part 5: Awareness, the first step to control. You can't change what you don't notice. Start observing your emotions like a scientist, without judgment. Example: when you feel jealous, don't say, I shouldn't feel this. Instead, say, interesting, I'm feeling jealousy. Why? Practice. Every time you feel strong emotion, write it down. What happened? What thought came first? How did I react? This awareness will slowly break automatic reactions. Part 6: Take responsibility for your feelings. You cannot control others, but you can control your reactions. Stop saying, he made me angry. Nobody makes you angry, you allow it. Example: if a rude driver cuts you off, your choice decides your day. 1. Shout and ruin your mood, or 2. Let it go and keep your peace. Quote from the book: when you take full responsibility for your emotions, you take full control of your life. Part 7: How to change negative emotions. The author gives a practical 3-step process. 1. Acknowledge the emotion, don't resist it. 2. Understand the cause, what thought triggered it. 3. Replace the thought, choose a helpful one. Example: feeling unworthy thought, I'm not good enough. Change to, I'm growing and learning daily. Your brain slowly reprograms itself to respond positively. Part 8: Building positive emotions. To master emotions, you must feed your mind with positive energy. Thibaut suggests gratitude journaling, exercise, healthy sleep, limiting negative news. Example: spending 10 minutes writing what you're grateful for each morning can completely change your emotional state. Tip: small positive habits, big temporary motivation. Part 9: Acceptance and letting go. Fighting emotions gives them more power. Instead, accept and observe them until they dissolve. Example: if you feel sad, sit quietly and say, it's okay to feel sadness right now. In a few minutes, it loses its intensity. I learned from here, acceptance is emotional intelligence in action. Part 10: Final lessons and action plan. You are not your emotions, you experience them. Emotions are shaped by your thoughts and beliefs. Awareness and responsibility are the keys to mastery. Gratitude and self-reflection reprogram your brain for happiness. Action plan. 1. Journal your emotions daily. 2. Practice gratitude every morning. 3. Don't react instantly, pause and think. 4. Surround yourself with calm, positive energy. 5. Remember, every emotion is a teacher. Master your emotions isn't about being emotionless, it's about becoming emotionally strong. When you understand your feelings, you control your destiny. So next time emotions rise, take a deep breath and remind yourself, you are the master of your mind, not its slave. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel for more amazing content. Like, share, and leave your comments below. Thank you.